Alright, in this video we've been asked to get the radius of a circle from the keyboard and to then calculate the area and circumference of that corresponding circle. So we've been given the formulas for area. It's just pi r squared, and the circumference is 2 pi r. So the radius is the only thing that we need to get as input for our program, and then we can just apply the formulas and have a nice message printed out. So if we go into our IDE, we can start doing this program. So I'm going to define a variable for the radius. Let's just call it r, and I need to ask the user for it. Now it's going to be a number, so I need to convert it from a string into either an integer or float. I'm just going to default to integer, and let's say enter the radius of the circle. Okay, and then I need to apply those two formulas. So let's call the area variable just area, and Python does have a built-in pi value, but I mean, you can just use 3.14. So it's pi r squared, so pi r squared. So remember, the exponent is the two asterisks. And then the circumference is 2 pi times r. And then we just have to print out those values. So you should print out the values in kind of a nice message so the user knows what's going on. Okay, so the area of a circle with radius r is the area variable. And then we can do the same thing for the circumference. So the circumference of a circle with radius r is the circumference. Okay, and then we need to just test out that program. So if we run this, okay, so it's getting our input here. So if I enter a value, let's just say 2, it's printing out the area of our circle with radius 2 is 12.56, and the circumference of a circle with radius 2 is 12.56. Okay. Interesting result that you get the same thing for the area and the circumference when you have a radius of 2. If I run it again, okay, maybe with a different value, say 6, okay, then I'm getting clearly different results on that. Okay, and if I took out my calculator, I could test that just to make sure that my program is performing correctly.